Hello world, how are you all doing? How is WWDC going on for you? Welcome to the stream, everybody. And today, this is day 2 of WWDC. After we had the Apple keynote yesterday, the platform State of the Union, and also all the discussions, my videos are up already on Twitch, so you can also have a look at the collection. The one long stream from yesterday I cut into smaller parts, so you can see the Apple keynote watch together as a standalone highlight video, and the others too. Like you can also just watch the discussions if you're more interested in that. And today is all about the WWDC sessions, and not only today, until Friday I'm going to be streaming WWDC sessions. I'm going to watch them, and you can watch them together with me, so also to explain how that works, because I'm not allowed to share the videos themselves, so I can't show you the videos with the audio and things like that. That would be amazing, but it's I'm not allowed to do that. Same was the case for the Apple keynote and platform State of the Union as well. Instead, if you want to watch with me together, I'm going to have a small thumbnail at the bottom on the right there, where you can see where I'm at right the moment. So if you want to watch along with me, you can do that. And we also actually documenting things, and I have not set that up yet. So let's do that. Let me go to the session summaries. Now let me create, I did that for yesterday. Let me create a new one for today. This is WWDC day 2, and here we're going to add all the session summaries of the sessions we're going to watch together. So I had also one session that one video that was all about going through all the WWDC 2022 talks, or the sessions here. And as you can see, I bookmarked quite a bit of them, and those are going to be the ones that we're going to watch. But I also I do want to go here, because I want to see which day which labs are coming. Where was that? I think you have to go here, sessions, and then click see all here. Now we're seeing them by day. So these are the sessions from today, and one thing up front, so I have to leave the stream at around like in 1.5 hours for half an hour. So I'll probably stop the stream by then, because I have a WWDC lab going on there. I'm in one of the design labs. Welcome Samigun, how are you doing? I'm going to be in one of the design labs, that's why I have to stop the stream there, but right after I'll be back streaming the next sessions. Alright, so let's have a look at which video we want to see first. And the very first video sessions I always want to watch are the what's new or the meet sessions. So what's new, and then a framework like what's new in SwiftUI, or what's new in Swift, or what's new in Xcode. And I think that's the one that I want to watch first. And right after I want to watch what's new in SwiftUI, I think. So that's the ones that we want to see, and they are already out. So let's scroll down, because they are under. And you can see Hello Swift Charts. That's, I don't know why they called it Hello this year. Probably to stand out a bit more. Typically this should be called the Meet Swift Charts session, but we will be watching that as well. These are all Meet sessions as well. But let's go to the what's new ones. And what's new in Swift, what's new in SwiftUI, what's new in Xcode. Probably what's new in Swift contains a lot of things from Swift Evolution, so I'll be watching that relatively last. Although maybe it's not only Swift Evolution. Let me have a look. Performance improvements, more secure, extensible Swift packages. Yeah, I'll be definitely watching this, but a bit later, because I'm more interested in what's new in Xcode actually. So I want to watch this very first. So let me set up the screen here. Remove this, and let me add it as a small thumbnail. All right, now you should see this, and let's turn off the music, so anybody who wants to watch along with me can watch along. Everything is fine. Have a nice stream. Thank you very much. You too. Have a nice time. Viel Spaß euch. Bol eğlenceler. All right. quickly turn off the music. And let's get on with the first session. So we're watching what's new in Xcode. And let me create the page for it as well. This is, doesn't have a number or something? It used to have a number. Anyways, I'm just going to give it the title. What's new in Xcode? And then we're going to start with an empty list. Let me maybe add a link to the session. I can share it somewhere. Okay. I can't find a link. Let's just watch it. For some reason, I can't read all of the text. It's really bad quality. Let me see if I can do anything about it. This is not how I can watch it. Are there any settings for quality? Preferences. Prefer HD videos. You know what? I'll be downloading this in the session. And I'll be watching it that way. Download is fast enough anyways. And it's already downloaded. Now I have full quality. Nice. Nothing new so far, just these points. Wait a second, did we get auto-completion for the system names of the images? No, right? I missed that part. But I don't think so. Ooh. Auto-completion of just the arguments you need via fuzzy search. Kind of slow pace there in this video. Oh. Nice. That's great. So Swift package plugins work like Xcode extensions now. Yeah, I have to watch those sessions. Sounds amazing. also for my current app. Nice. So now, no longer iPod selected by default. And with search. Oh, X. Really cool. That's nice. All right, session already over. Cool. So let me turn on the music. Let's have a detailed look quickly. All right, so what we saw. Let's go through these things. So step by step backwards. We definitely do have the single size app icon now, which is this here. Actually, let's highlight the part. So we are now having, let me make this red and bigger. Having this single size option. Which is really cool. Then we have the hangs feature. We have the feedback in the organizer, which is new. We have a run destination chooser, which prioritizes the most recent selections. So let's make a screenshot of that as well. This one looks nice. There we go. So it looks like this, where previously the issue was, and people were complaining that the iPod Touch was always pre-selected. Now you can basically first search in here, and secondly it will list those ones that were the recents at the top, and I'm assuming it will also always pre-select the last one that you have used. And I think that's going to basically fix it. You just have to choose it once, I guess, per Xcode version, like a major version, and then it's going to just remember the last ones that you have picked, which is really cool. Export localization catalog, that's a new feature. Swift package plugins, so directly shown. That was also really cool. Find a screenshot of that. Though I found the Xcode, Xcode export localization thing first. So it looks like this, where you can go from the product menu and export localizations for a specific package, which is really cool. So package plugins are directly shown. That's also really amazing. The example that we have here is the reformat code using Swift format. So it's basically integrating Swift format. And this is not the Apple one, so it's not Swift minus format, it's that the one from Nick Lockwood, I think, which is just Swift format written together. Memory leaks can be found even better. Let's take a screenshot of that as well. Have to be faster with the screenshots. So I don't have to retake them afterwards and just, well, what's going on? What was that? Why was it scrolling? Single target with multiple target destinations. That's also cool. Basically this area here, where you can now basically have one target, which is food truck, no longer need for iOS, food truck iOS, food truck Mac. You can have one, and you can have it iPhone, iPad, and Mac all together, which also sounds really amazing. Then interface builder faster notarization, everything is getting faster. Then we have this amazing visualization of the build times, so you can see visually now the different build times going on. Overall, Xcode is 25% faster, linker is up to 2 times faster, improved parallelism. regex literals, they show that. I'm not sure if there is a good screenshot, although I could take this one. Showing that compiler checks regex literals now, because you can see here there's a regex literal just with a slash and then the digits here. And this is now compiled in compile time, and you can see what issues there are. But that's what's new in Xcode.
Look, you and me on the Charles River.